For today's recipe, to make the biryani masala powder, I'm going to first take a grinder and add 1 tablespoon of shahi jeera. Along with that, I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, half a tablespoon of ajwain, 5 cloves, 5 green cardamoms, and a cinnamon stick. I'm now going to grind this into a powder. After making the biryani masala powder, I'm then going to take 250 grams of washed and deveined tiger prawns. To that, for the marination, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder, half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1.5 tablespoon of the biryani masala which you had ground earlier, fried onions of half a medium sized onion, 1 cup of mint leaves, 2 tablespoons of curd, half a tablespoon of lime juice, and lastly 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm now going to mix this and leave this for marination for 30 minutes. After leaving the prawns for marination, I'm then going to take 2 glasses of basmati rice, wash it and soak it for 30 minutes. After about 20 minutes, I'm then going to take a pan and add 6 cups of water to it. After adding the 6 cups of water, I'm then going to add 1 big bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 cloves, 3 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, half a teaspoon of oil, half a teaspoon of the biryani masala powder which we had ground earlier, 1 teaspoon of salt. After adding all of these ingredients, now on high flame, I'm going to wait for the water to boil. Once the water starts boiling, you can add the rice which you had soaked earlier. After adding all of the rice, I'm now going to cook this for 6 minutes on high flame until it's semi-cooked. While the rice cooks, simultaneously in another pan, I'm going to add half a tablespoon of oil. After adding the oil, I'm then going to add the marinated pieces of prawn to it. After adding the pieces of the prawns, I'm then going to fry this for about 2 minutes. While I'm frying the prawns, it's been 6 minutes now. I'm now going to strain this rice and keep it aside. After straining the rice, I'm now going to layer the rice over these prawns. After layering all of the rice, I'm then going to add mint leaves to it. Along with the mint leaves, I'm also going to add some saffron milk to it. After adding saffron milk, I'm now going to place a lid and seal it and let it cook for 25 minutes. After removing the lid, I'm now going to mix this really well. After mixing it well, your dish is now ready to be served. So if you did like this recipe, I'd request you to please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.